Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs for 6-month-old easy method. Start by washing hands and sanitizing surfaces, then choose fresh eggs and cook them until both white and yolk are firm. For a smooth texture, mash thoroughly or blend with breast milk or formula. Cool to lukewarm before serving, test temperature, and offer a small spoonful to observe any reaction or preference from your baby. In this video, I will show how to make eggs for 6-month-old easy method. Begin by placing eggs in a pot with cold water, bring to a boil, and simmer for 9 to 12 minutes until fully set. Cool under cold running water, peel, and inspect for shells. Remove whites if needed, and mash yolk with breast milk or formula to reach a smooth, spoonable consistency suitable for first bites. In this video, I will show how to make eggs for 6-month-old easy method. Quick recommendation. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with calm parenting moments between feeds. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make eggs for 6-month-old easy method. Offer just 1 to 2 teaspoons at first and wait between new foods to monitor reactions. If tolerated, gradually increase portion size over days, keeping texture smooth and easy to swallow. Use a clean spoon each time, and refrigerate any leftover mashed yolk for up to 24 hours to maintain freshness and safety for future feedings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.